Welcome to the Island Rec Center Weekly Update. Hi, Frank Soul here again. Hey, I just wanted to thank everybody who came out and visited us at the 15th hole at the Verizon Heritage. We had a great time down there serving concessions all week. We appreciate the support of the community, especially the Heritage Classic Foundation and the tournament staff that allow us the opportunity to go down there and serve concessions. We've been down there for 17 plus years now, and we greatly appreciate the opportunity. But we move on from one event to another. We have the Hilton Head Island Seafood Festival this Saturday, the 25th, from 11 to 5 at Shelter Cove Community Park. We have 15 different restaurants from our community. We also have a wonderful Iron Chef competition that begins at 11. We also, our featured band of the day is the Headliners, Crab Races, Kids Zone, Soda, you name it, we have it. Hopefully everybody will be able to join us out there. It's a fundraiser not only for the Island Recreation Association, but MD Anderson and the American Cancer Society. So we hope to see you there on Saturday. But, hey, hopefully you get the Island Packet as a home delivery. Tomorrow, Tuesday, we'll have the packet have the brochure in the packet for you. I guess I'm not speaking very well here today, and a lot of great summer programs will be listed in there. I want everybody to get signed up for summer camp, surfing camp, lacrosse camp, football camp, you name it, we have it. And the website's been all updated so you can begin registering online and planning your summer activities. Once again, we appreciate all the support the community has given us. Hey, in a couple of weeks, we're going to be also out with our Friends Drive letter for you folks too. So once again, hopefully we'll see you out at a soccer game, seafood festival, you name it. We have events going on for the whole community. Thanks again for the support.